In today's video, I'm going to unbox and set up this Camp Chef barbecue. It's a Denali Pro 16. I bought this in May of 2022 at Costco. Paid $249.99. This is not a sponsored video. It is just the barbecue I purchased. The assembly instructions, the first step is place the stove upside down on the ground, and then it tells us to put the legs in. However, I have to assume the legs are in this box and it doesn't actually tell you how to get it out of here. I've noticed over on this side, see that? That was keeping this grill portion in place. So you push that back, and then that comes out. We get our box. Let's see where they installed there. Need my knife again. Don't know what I did with the knife. And sure enough, there's our legs. And let's check out what was in there. There was another box or something, wasn't there? This must be the back shield, I guess. Yep. Turn the camp stove upside down to install the legs. Take your little thumb screw like this one here, back that off so that it's flush with the inside, and then drop it down as far as it'll go. Tighten that up. Once you install the 4 legs, turn it over, and then you can adjust by screwing out the bottom portion of the leg like that and get it stable. Hook up our propane in the usual manner. The windshield just unfolds like that. So apparently, according to our instructions, this has a built-in igniter. It says if it doesn't start within 5 seconds, turn it off. There we go. Hopefully you can try the other burner. Try that again. There we go. It's getting close to camping season, late May 2022. I've been using this thing for a couple of weeks. I unboxed it strictly for the purposes of the video. But I gotta say, I'm loving this. Like if you're cooking on a hot day or something, the old kitchen doesn't heat up, so I've been using this to cook meals sometimes. Anyway, really pleased with the thing so far, so hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.